Once you have the EA, the bot, downloaded, to install it, you click File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts, and you paste it into here. I already done that, so I don't need to do that, but once you pasted it in there, you go back, go to this navigation bar, click Navigator, go to your Expert Advisors, click Refresh, or you can open and close MetaTrader 4, then drag it or double click onto your chart. It opens the settings as so. Make sure you have live trading on under common inputs. You can adjust all the inputs here. My recommended settings are in my Telegram. As you can see that message, if you need the link, it'll be down in the description. Algo trading. Now to turn it on, you got to click on and make sure you go options here, expert advisors, allow trading, one-click trading, and that's it. And make sure it's on the 1 minute chart, as it only trades the 1 minute chart. And make sure you always have your emergency close as true. So that's basically your stop loss in a sense. And if you want to delete it, just right click on the chart, expert advisors, remove, and then boom. That's it.